Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exciting and futuristic compact vehicles of 2025, the silver electric camper tricycle. It's a head-turner that blends retro design with modern electric innovation, and it's unlike anything else on the market right now. If you've ever dreamed of a vehicle that's stylish, practical, and sustainable, this little marvel might just be the answer. At first glance, the sleek metallic silver paint catches your eye. The rounded edges, bold circular headlights, and compact body design give it a unique retro-futuristic personality. It feels both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time, like something pulled from a classic design sketch and brought to life with cutting-edge technology. This is the kind of vehicle that makes you stop and stare. Open the small entry door, and you're greeted with a surprisingly cozy interior. The rear car-style seats are upholstered in soft silver leather, offering a refined and comfortable vibe. Despite the limited space, the design makes clever use of every inch. The slim profile of the seats, combined with careful positioning, maximizes legroom and creates a relaxing spot to sit back, whether for city cruising or short travel adventures. The bright interior atmosphere is enhanced by large windows, which flood the space with light and make it feel bigger than it really is. The silver tones reflect that light beautifully, adding to the modern and clean aesthetic. It's a smart example of how small space design doesn't have to sacrifice comfort or style. Of course, this is a fully electric vehicle, which means you're getting zero emissions, a whisper-quiet ride, and lower running costs compared to traditional fuel-powered campers. Perfect for eco-conscious city dwellers or travelers who want to explore without leaving a heavy footprint. What makes this camper trike so appealing is how it fits into real lifestyles. Whether you're an urban explorer looking for a unique ride, a weekend traveler who loves compact adventures, or someone who simply wants a futuristic design that stands out, this vehicle checks all the boxes. It's functional, charming, and built with a vision of the future in mind. So what do you think? Could you see yourself traveling in this 2025 electric camper tricycle? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the coolest vehicles of the year, don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more unique reviews and future tech on wheels. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.